Hello, my name is Nanisa Masara binti Abdullah. My matrix number is 07DK19F1023. This experiment title is Sand Replacement Test. The objective of this experiment is to determine the in situ density of natural or compacted soil using the sand pouring cylinder. Apparatus that we required for this experiment is sand pouring cylinder of 3 liter or 16.5 liter capacity, tools for excavating holes, 3 cylindrical calibrating container with an internal diameter of 100 mm or 200 mm and internal depth of 5 and 50 mm or 2 and 50 mm feet with a flank 50 mm or 75 mm wide and about 5 meter thick surrounding the open end. 4. Balance to weight onto an accuracy of 1 gram. 5. Metal container. 6. Metal tray. And 7 is suitable non-corrodible airtight container. Sometimes it is important to know the density of in situ for design purpose. This can be done by means of sand replacement method. Determining the in situ density of natural or compact soil using sand pouring cylinders requires simple method of analysis. The in situ density of natural soil is needed for the determination of bearing capacity of soil for the purpose of stability analysis of slope, for the determination of pressure on underlying strata for the calculation of settlement and the design of underground structure. This is along with the core cutter is one of the older, more labor-intensive method of determining density. It is used on the boulder clays and granular fields. So the procedure is we need to calibration of the cylinder. Measure the internal dimension of the calibrating container and find its volume. Fill the clean, uniformly graded standard sand in the sand pouring cylinder up to a height of 1 cm below the top with the shutter closed. Find out initial mass of the sand. This mass should be maintained constant throughout the test for which the calibration is used. Allow the sand of volume equal to the of the calibrating container to run out of cylinder by opening the shutter. Then close the shutter. Place the sand cone pouring cylinder on the paper placed on a horizontal table. Open the shutter again and allow the sand to flow and fill the cone. Close the shutter and then find the mass of the sand of paper. Then repeat step 2 until for at least 3 and find the mean mass. For step 2, we need to determine of bulk density of sand. Place the sand pouring cylinder concentrically on the top of the calibrating container with the shutter closed, making sure that constant mass is maintained. Open the shutter of cylinder and allow the sand to move into the container. When no further movement is seen, close the shutter and find the mass of sand left in the cylinder. Repeat step 2 until 3 at least 3 and find the mean mass. The last step is we need to determine field density of soil. Level surface of the soil in the open field. Place metal tray on the surface having a circular hole of 10 cm diameter at the center. Dig a hole of this diameter up to about 15 cm deep. Collect all the excavated soil in a tray and find the mass of excavated soil. Then remove the tray and place the sand pouring cylinder concentrically on the hole. Open the shutter and allow the sand to run into hole till no further movement of sand is noticed. Close the shutter and determine mass of sand which is left in the cylinder. The representative sample is taken from the excavated soil for determination of water content.